This is the Supercheap Auto V8 Commodore. This is our body kit, which comes with a boombox and an iPod attached to it. And we've also taken the back wheels and we flipped them around because the faster mode was actually in reverse. We have these two headlamps, which used to work through the headlight, but we thought they were a bit boring, so we decided to colour one in red and take the other one, which has a natural blue LED light, and put them on top. So we've now got a sick police car. It is a modded height, so that's optimal for drifting. We've had to cut a chunk out here so that we could fit in the wheels. With our main feature,
that nigga down, AKO that 40 round. Bills and weed got me higher than Bobby Brown. TTG, ho, train to go, ho. Lay down on the floor, bring it to the glow, ho.
All my niggas see the train to go, shawty go. Shot an old 40 with like 4 bodies on it. Putting niggas in the dirt, cleaning necessary, make it work. Montana got that twerk.
Cars surrounded by the flames of death. What can it do? Nothing. It's life and death.
Alright, you got it, Dave? Oh yeah.
Oh my god!
That's wicked. It's so bad. Oh, that was actually pretty sick. That's all going on now. It's something good, bro. It's still going. It's all that.